when I went before my state judge, for the 2012 ruling to go ahead and concede and hopefully fight my case from the streets, she seen the order from my previous judge, and she said to herself, being honorable, right? She said, what sentence will be an appropriate sentence to give an innocent man? Not 20 to life, not 30 to life. So immediately, in the interest of justice, she exercised her power, and the jurisdiction that she had, being a judge, and she withdrew the charges with the concedement, with the Commonwealth conceding the fact after an additional independent investigation, they determined that no way in the world that I did the crime, and lo and behold, I'm here right now on the open mic show with you, Mike. That's
and you got out. And you got out 24 hours later after that, right?
I got out. Well, it wasn't even 24 hours because the posture that we were
out. You were out within a day. You were out within a day.
I got out the next morning. The case. Listen, because this is important. This is beautiful to say, because my hearing lasted all the way up to 8 o'clock that evening. So by the time we left court, I got back to the jail, it was 10 o'clock. I was getting out the following day, the next morning. It wasn't even 24 hours.
So I want you to know, Terrance, I got chills you telling that story, because I got to break that down just for our listeners, just for a second. Sure. And I want to make sure I understand it. Okay. So number one, the judge 10 years earlier absolutely could have done what this judge did and didn't.
Exactly.
In my opinion. Number two, you went to that hearing that day to basically plead guilty to a crime you didn't commit just so you could get out. And instead of having to lie to a federal judge, the judge said, no, I am not going to make you do that. I am vacating these charges, and you're a free man.